meat lovers right here. Hey, good morning everyone. This is the next day. I'm feeling super recharged from all the food that I ate yesterday and all the sleep and then the movie watching and all that. So I'm feeling pretty good right now. So I'm about to clean house today. I'm gonna try and find new roommates. So probably gonna do like a time lapse or something right here to clean this whole place up so I can take some good pictures. Yeah, let's get to it. Boom. All right, it's probably a good angle right here. We got some pizza, kind of like a meat lovers right here. I'm gonna chomp this down and then I'm going to go clean. I don't remember what I ordered. Oh, I got a key lime pie as well. Look at that. This is ranch. Arnold Palmer. All right, I'm gonna try this pizza out. Check out this guy right here. It's pretty tasty. Tastes like a meat lovers. Let's douse it. Move on. Key lime. I don't know what that lime there. Better presentation. Look at this. It's like a graham cracker or whatever. Try it out. 7 out of 10. Not bad. Peace. Alright, phone is charged at 40%. So I can set to this like better angle here. Alright, I think this is the angle that I am going to go with. Just got my suit back from the dry cleaners, so right here. Yeah, now I just have to worry about this final boss right here. Oh man. All right, vlog. Finished cleaning here. We are all clean. About to get some pizza right now after cleaning the house. Probably gonna eat like, I might eat all of this. Should I have a big bag today? Just eat all this? I think I probably will. Done. Wow, that looks pretty good. Some ranch. Gym now. I wasn't gonna go, but I'm just gonna knock it out. Got done with the chest workout. That was like the best workout of the week. I didn't want to work out, but I went anyways. And yeah, I'm so glad I did. Hit dips, incline, and side laterals, and also some push downs. So that was an awesome workout. About to go home and tank 30 G's straight to the dome. So yeah, peace. I just got back at home. You already know what we're gonna get right now. These Gotta get 30 G's right after the gym for the gains. All right, back at my mom with my sister's place. Just talked to my sister for a little bit and about to go to bed now. So, peace.